What is up, YouTube? This is your boy Z71 Z71 from the lake. Wanted to do a little update on my 2014 Chevrolet Silverado LTZ Z71. Wanted to show you guys what I did to it. Since the 2019s aren't going to show up in a while and I needed new tires, I threw a 2.5-inch rough country level kit on the front. The back is stock. And I also threw on some 33 1250 20 Nitto MudGrapples. They're loud, guys. I was expecting that, but I love them. Awesome tire. Nitto, you guys did an awesome job. These things are beefy as hell. They're just 33s. For the questions, I do rub at full lock. Probably about one turn before full lock. And that's just a 1/2-inch space around the top and then the 2-inch space around the bottom. But you can get away with it. I didn't do no trimming. I do rub my upper control arm at full lock. Nothing in the front though, guys. In the back you might hit, a little bit. Maybe right there, but that's about it. I might throw some zip ties in there and hammer it back, I don't know. But I'm not worried about it. Awesome sidewall protection on these guys. They don't stick out too far on factory 20x9 plus 27 offset. But they're beautiful, guys. Just beautiful. They make the truck 100%. They're freaking sweet. There's a back angle for you guys. Front angle. Like I said, the back is all stock blocks. It sits about 1/4 inch lower in the front, so I can still pull my trailer or my boat with it. But yeah, guys, they fit through car wash. I was happy. Took it through the car wash today to do the video. I got these put on about a month ago. Just thought I'd show my followers what I've been up to with the truck. They're a little pricey, guys. Not gonna lie. 35% tint on the front, 5% all around the other ones. All the other windows are 5%. That's my sticker from my car wash. It's funny because every time I take a car wash, it just kind of bogs the car wash down. I do hit my sidewalls on it, but I think it'd be okay. Anyway, y'all, just wanted to give you a little update on the Chevy Silverado. Custom offsets. That guy made me say that. Anyway, y'all, Bosch icon wiper blades. John Deere license plate in the front. Limo tint. Level kit. Stock wheels. Threw some new mud grips on them. It's been an awesome truck, guys. I'm right at, I'll show you guys, right at about 57,539. I don't know if that showed up or not. But yeah, anyway, y'all, get you guys another good shot of the truck. It's beautiful. Those tires just set it off, guys. Hope everyone has a wonderful weekend. Z71. Take care, everybody. Bye.